Hey everyone, welcome back to EcoHarvest Farms. I'm Josh, and today we're diving into a beginner's guide to growing your very own salad right at home. Whether you're on a patio, a backyard garden, or just a sunny window, this is a super simple and satisfying way to grow fresh food. Store-bought lettuce goes bad fast and often lacks flavor, but when you grow it yourself, it's fresher, crunchier, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's cheap to grow, easy to maintain, and honestly, it just tastes better. You don't need a green thumb to get started. Let me show you how. Here's what we're growing in today's salad garden. Red Leaf Cherokee. This one's got beautiful burgundy tones and a tender leaf. It's great for color and mild flavor. Green Leaf Muir. It's super heat tolerant and crispy. It stays sweet even in that summer heat. Bloomsdale Spinach. It's a classic heirloom variety. It's dark green, slightly crinkled. It's cold tolerant and it's tasty raw or cooked. Viroflay Spinach. This one's a giant. Smooth leaves, very fast growing. It's a powerhouse for salads and smoothies. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose your containers or your garden space. Raised beds, grow bags, or even 6-inch pots work great. Use a high quality potting mix. Add compost if you've got it. Salad greens love rich, loose soil. 3. Sow your seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space lettuce 6 to 8 inches apart. Spinach is a little bit closer if you're harvesting young. 4. Water gently but consistently. Keep the soil moist, especially during germination. And number 5, give them light. At least 6 hours of sun a day, or a grow light if indoors. A quick tip, succession plant every 2 weeks so that you can maintain a fresh harvest. Once they're growing, it's pretty low maintenance. Watch for pests like aphids, a blast of water, or even just some neem oil can help. Keep watering, and in just a few weeks, you'll have harvest-ready leaves. When harvesting, snip the outer leaves and leave the center to keep growing. This is called cut and come again harvesting. It's perfect for ongoing salads. Look at this, a colorful, fresh salad straight from my own garden. You can mix and match these greens for texture and taste, add herbs, edible flowers, fruits, radishes, level it up.